I've never seen such sorrow. In your eyes, and the wedding is tomorrow. How I hate to see you like this.
There is no way you can deny it.
I can see that you're oh so sad, so quiet. Chiquitita, tell me the truth. I'm a shoulder you can cry on. Your best friend, I'm the one you must rely on. You were always sure of yourself. Now I see you've broken a feather. I hope we can patch it up together. Chiquitita, you and I know how the heartaches come and they go, and the scars they're leaving. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain will end. You will have no time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is still in the sky and shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like I did before. Sing a new song. Anybody can be that guy. Not as young and the music's high. Play the better rock music. Anything's fine. You're in the mood for dance. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. Young and sweet, only 17.
nice. You've heard me say that smoking was my only vice, but now it isn't true, and everything's new, and all I've learned has overturned. I beg of you.
It was like shooting and sitting back. A little small talk and smile, and baby, I was stuck. I still don't know what you've done with me. A grown-up woman should never fall so easily. I feel kind of fear when I don't have you near. I'm satisfied, I skip my pride, I beg you I've had a few little love affairs. They didn't last very long, and they've been pretty scarce.
I used to think I was sensible. It makes the truth even more incomprehensible.
Everything is new, and everything is you. And all I've learned has overturned. What can I do?
To put in the context, we had only 3 weeks to prepare for this show. We weren't sure because we just came out of Edmundian Fest, and immediately after that we started the practices. And please believe me, 90% of the work was done by these fantastic students. Okay, hats off to them. The costumes, they did it themselves, absolutely themselves. On their own, they'd express themselves. These children were asking me, what about our choir costumes? I said, you express yourselves, that's it. They were good. I just want to recognize the wonderfully talented musicians. I'm going to call them on stage. They were 6 days of Puja holidays. That was the time we actually put everything together. They were here in school from 9 to 2, 3, sometimes 4. And we really we broke the back of the concert on those 6 days. It was a sacrifice of these children and the parents, the wonderful parents who allowed them to come. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Super Trooper, lights are gonna find me, but I won't feel blue like I always do. 'Cause somewhere in the crowd there's you. True.